Okay. Today, we are sharing a new lemon tree propagation method. Friends who are interested in gardening, you have to read it carefully. This is a potted lemon in good condition. Select the appropriate grafting location and remove excess leaves. Circle the skin like this. Scrape off the smooth surface. This is an ordinary orange. Split in half from the middle. Dig out the pulp inside. Keep only the outer skin. Clean up the edges. So a free high-pressure box is ready. This is the normal original image. Mix it with the pulp of an orange. Then put it in the orange peel. Wrap tightly around the incision. Tied firmly with nylon cable ties. One above and one below. Cover it with a plastic bag. It can keep warm and moisturize. 22 days later. Let's check its growth. You can see that there are tiny roots exposed. Now cut the branches and plant them in another pot. The planting soil I use is very simple. Edge soil 70%, compost 30%. That's all for today's video. Welcome to leave comments and likes. Thanks for watching. See you next time.